Asikhulume ke manje ngomaster. Asingam-ignore manje umaster. Umaster simazi umuntu wejazz. Umaster simazi umuntu we-indigenous. Umuntu who... And you were the only people like Gaslet who was doing that craft.
Yeah.
That I know of, mina.
Oh yeah, but bakhona abantu badlala ama-instruments.
Era yenu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Badlala guitar, mhlawumbe badlala guitar with the
As a
vocals.
group?
No, not as a group.
Okay, so that's what made you different.
I think so.
I believe so.
You believe so? Okay, I believe it as well then. I think it was because of Labantu Bayi 4 on stage. They are playing this thing now in real time. Yeah. So I think it means be more interesting because people would come to Fire lapha ku bass and be like, yo, ntwana, yenza lento. Some will come to me with drum. So bathanda different things. But now ngoba sibona sisonke, so not just hearing the song eradioini ungazi ubani udlala ini, so bayayibona, so be interesting.
I loved when you were showing off, giving each other a chance to play a solo.
Oh yeah. That's but you ngangibisile that.
Mamela, yeah, this is what I'm gonna say before ngifuna sixele ku master manje.
Yeah.
Ngiyanicela Black Mole ngimamele, Fire ungimamele, ubani kanjani? Rocker ungilalele. Ni virus ningilalele nawe
ngimamele.
Ndizayithetha ngesixhosa lento.
Sixhosa ngesixhosa ngokwenza kuba
sanukusdika. Njengoba nisixelele ba ingane kwane isasekhona isaphila. Ndicela niyekla kuma socials wenu. While you cooking, guys, whatever that you cooking, sisacela at least ama glimpses to know that masinilinde ngoba nisapheka. Ngoba kuzoba nzima ukuthi silambe silinde imbize singaziyo ibiyavuthwa siqobele siyothenga ikota. Keep on cooking while we're waiting to be served. Put at least this update and noma don't reveal too much. Yabo yenza lesimani CV eRoma iyalembize niphekayo. But makuye kuthuleka pha, guys, social zen, it's so quiet, like it seems like it's dead. Come back. Ndiyanxamela ke ndiyangxolisa. I hope nindivile. And I think ndiyibeke very clear.
Ayivakele ndiyayiva.
Siyabulela.
Bakuzwile. I think bakuzwile. Oh my God.
This alone ndifuna ivakale. Mamela ke master.
Yes ma'am.
Why amapiano afro? What is that? Maske siqala intoni amapiano afro-ish that you into now? And why did you divert to that?
It's music, Slee. I think it's music. Master is a versatile musician because mningu music lapana, soul, hip hop, like I work with different types of people, but this one exactly was something ukuthi yinja and like people are following it. So mhlambe if I can try and establish a sound yami mhlambe nami ngibe nayo certain footprint in it, maybe it will give people that idea.
A perspective you're not just master.
Yes, no,
it's not just you're a master of none, but you are a jack of all trades.
Yeah, as long as it's music,
you can do it.
Then I'm your guy for it because of mina nje music angukhethi. Ungamangala uzokuthiwa nangu manje umaster wenza umaskandi lapha. Uphethe isiginci sakhe uyabona. Ungamangala wazi ukuthi yena washo shame wathi as long as it's music, as long as it makes sound like ting ting, I'm up for it. I do it.
Who inspires you in music?
Music.
Yeah, like who inspires you every day? Your all day, everyday person that you know that boom mamele, everything makes sense.
Most abantu ngimamamelayo abantu abangasa
it's very rich, that one.
Yeah, because of let's speak about Bob Marley. Right? People who didn't just do music, but they were expressing a certain bebafaka like a certain idea or concept elifini yomuntu kwabona music uyangawenzi kuphela bekana beliefs wakhe on top of music ama beliefs afana nokuthi
politics
yabona politics
racial differences
yabona yes music is life poverty. And music can vibrate and create this thing to a human being yabona abantu aba believe into eziso not people who just do music for just doing it but bakhona abanye ukuthi like they are you know like ama legends for mina yabona bosisi zonke you know abantu ukuthi makedlala music I just feel a certain way and be like sis man
bona mawuthi zonke ndicinga no Lira those are the top
yes yabona bo Lira singaba count mfethu ya
Samajobe uphi vele
Samajobe ishangazi nami but she had a good sound futhi so at least labantu ukuthi like ku playlist yami they are there.
Okay.
Yabona and then the rest again some African people ke ukuthi like I really look up to them now.
Oliver Mtukudzi.
Kodwa
uDadu Hugh sanomlibala bethu.
Yes. Gosh. No babu Hugh isikhulisile when we masidlala band. Yeah, usikhulisile na because we listen too much ku music wakhe namanye ama cover beswayenza wakhe. So na isikhulisile big time. Abu well abantu base states abanye you know.
It's fine mention them.
Abu Kat Elling. You know, I'm a jazz musician, I'm a jazz singer.
Yeah, so, the reason that I want you to mention them, probably you plugging someone now to go and
look for because he's a great singer now, So mantamajalo, you know, loku yakanza, you know, Richard Bona, Oma Sosa, ngingiqede sleep.
Okay.
Bye. Makabang inspiring, because of bane sound yabo.
Yeah.
But they are thriving in music industry. Not ukuthi shooting in the kanjani. They are not trying to do what sells, but they are selling what they are actually making. So yiko ba follow that much born because I think they give me an idea of what I want to master to become. Yabo someone who the sound yakhe the way sound ngakhona for yena nabantu abayamamelayo athengise leyo sound leyo not ukuthi just because of there certain loops kuma free loops lapha nama loop nana just fix ngihlanganisa ama loop la because ngifuna ukusanda njengosibani no that's not music manje. Yeah, mine uyazilimaza because of you're not putting your own. That loop was created by me
that
in
is
studio.
Why you terms class cinga ngo terms cinga ngo Sade like you don't have to look about Jill Scott about Lauryn Hill.
Yeah, man, you speak life man.
You don't have to look like ukuthi umfanise nobani.
It's
you know I get what you mean. So ufuna umaster ibe umaster xa ucabanga umaster ungathi yazi usawunda njengomama Rebecca Maluphe noLundi
akana authenticity now master is just an artist engadlula anytime but well there are a lot of producers about only sound yabo manje la eMzansi which is lovely because of ivula indlela for ukuthi hey let's be open for new sounding sounds ama sound different yabo not lawe Swazi not us support Swazi so support but they are already there and they are owned by certain somebodies yabo which is good but let's add more sounds let's evaluate
what is your blueprint kahle
yes